We'll go for the rhinosporidiosis. It is endemic in the southern India and Sri Lanka, in Nepal, in Rajbiraj and Janakpur. It is a chronic infection of the upper respiratory tract, most commonly in the inferior turbinate of the nasal cavity. Its causative agent is fairy, that is fungus, that is Rhinosporidium sebarii, or in the waterborne organism like Cyanobacterium microcystis aeruginosa. So it is more common in the people who bath in the water. So from the dungs of the animals it is spreaded. Other sites of the involvement are ears, larynx, esophagus, conjunctiva, tracheobronchial tree, and any part of the body. So in other sites, as we can see, it is seen in this side. Then causative rhinosporidiosis causative agent is present in the water and dust. So it readily infects the nasal mucosa, then it matures into the sporangium, subsequently bursts to release multiple endospores, and it infects the surrounding tissues. So from the sporangium, it will lead from the endospores. So clinical presentation is presents with nasal involvement with nasal obstruction, epistaxis and rhinorrhea. Systemic dissemination are also seen. On examination, there is unilateral strawberry mass lesion. Treatment: medical therapy with antibiotics and antifungal. Generally, antifungals are not proven. Treatment of choice is wide excision with electrocauterization of the lesion base. Surgical excision of the lesion is done, but it is recurrent in 10% of cases, and also Dapsone, which is used for the treatment of the leprosy, is also given in cases. Now comes rhinoscleroma. So it is a progressive granulomatous disease commencing in the nose and extending into the other areas of the airway. It occurs in the region of poor standard of domestic hygiene. Causative examination, causative organism is Klebsiella rhinoscleromatosis, that is gram-negative bacillus. Two main features are seen in this rhinoscleroma, that are Mikulicz cells and Russell bodies. So as we can see, the Mikulicz comes from the M. So M is M macrophages. Okay. So and the Russell bodies are the plasma cells. These two cells which contains there will be marked cellular infiltrates of lymphocytes and plasma cells. There are many macrophages with clear to foamy cytoplasm. So M is macrophages with clear to foamy cytoplasm. It is Mikulicz cells and plasma cells with eccentric nucleus and deep eosine staining cytoplasm, that are Russell bodies. Now there are three stages: rhinitic stage, that is atrophic stage; fibroid stage, that is granulation stage; and then other is fibrotic stage, that is cicatrizing stage. So name only suggests, for in the first stage there will be nasal discharge, nasal drying, crusting in the first stage. Then there will be formation of the granulation tissue within the nose, and then last stage there will be fibrosis and the scar formation, that is cicatrizing stage. Symptoms vary with the location of the infection. Nasal cavity septum is the most common site. Other sites are paranasal sinuses, orbit, larynx and tracheobronchial tree, and middle ear. Treatment is tetracycline and streptomycin given for the 6 weeks. Acriflavine solution, that is into in vitro killed, that is Klebsiella rhinoscleromatosis. That is acriflavine solution. Then significant airway obstruction requires surgical excision and radiotherapy, laser treatment. So here in the picture you can see there is a scleromatous lesion over the dorsum of the nose, filling both the nasal cavities, and it will lead to complete nasal blockage. This is rhinoscleroma. That's all for today. Thank you.